Hello everyone. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss the economic of pumpings. First, first thing, take into the consideration. Estimate of cost of pumping are necessary to compare the relative cost of different types of pumping installations and evaluate the economic of irrigations. The cost of pumping include fixed cost and operating cost that we will see in this video. So, economic of pumping, in which number 1, that is the fixed cost. So, interest is calculated on the average value of the installation at the prevailing interest value. So, the annual interest cost is equal to value of installation minus salvage value multiplied by interest rate divided by 2. Then second thing is that depreciation. So, the depreciation is the loss in the value of pumping plant due to operation or age. So, original cost minus salvage value divided by useful life of pumping unit in year. By using this formula, we can calculate the annual depreciation. The estimate useful life of pumping plant for the determination of various parameters or various values. Then operating cost, second one is the operating cost, in which number 1, fuel or energy consumptions. So, electric motor, efficiency of electric motor usually vary from 80 to 90%, and energy consumptions in kilowatt hour we can calculate by using the given formula, that is brake horsepower divided by motor efficiencies into 0.746. So, operating cost from this analysis or from this cost, we can conclude the how much energy consumed by the electric motor or any type of other motors, which can be used in the lift irrigation schemes for pumping the water. Second thing is that engine, an estimate of the rate of fuel consumptions for a given engine can most accurately made if the manufacturer fuel consumptions curve for that engine is available. Approximate value of the rate of fuel consumptions of diesel engine, which are commonly used in irrigation pumping, is 0.23 liter per brake horsepower hour. So, the cost per hour of operations is equal to BHP into fuel consumed in liter per hour multiplied by cost of fuel per liter. By using this formula, we can calculate cost per hour of operations. Then another thing, that is lubricating oil and greases, in which number A point is negligible for electric driven plant. Then B is that diesel and petrol engine 4.5 liter per 1000 horsepower hour, means the cost of lubricating oil and greases for the electric driven plant are the negligible, and for the diesel and petrol engine it will 4.5 liter per 1000 HP hours. Then pump maintenance and repairs. During the operation of pumps or operation of lift irrigation project, the during the operation of lift irrigation schemes at we experience the bad situation at certain time. So, in that situation we have to spend some values or cost to repair that particular thing which are under the operations. So, here the pump maintenance and repair, that is centrifugal pump, for centrifugal pump yearly cost is equal to total cost divided by estimated life in year. Then for turbine pump yearly cost is equal to 1/2 of the total cost divided by estimated life in year. Then number 4 is engine maintenance and repair. It's difficult to predict a nominal amount may be added towards this item, and last one is the operator wages at prevailing rate. So, engine maintenance and repair, this point or the amount nominal amount may be added toward this item is very difficult to decide or predict. So, these are the different points which are taken under the consideration while deciding the economics of pumping system. The selection of pipe size of pumping plant. The selection of pumping size, pipe size of pumping plant and pipelines should be based on the careful economic analysis. A small pipe may require a low initial investment, but the head loss due to friction is greater, and this increases the power cost. A larger pipe in many cases will save more in power cost than the additional investment. Further, the larger pipe may so reduce the total pump head that a lighter and lower price pump and power unit may be used. So, this is the additional information which can be taken under the considerations. For the economic pumping cost. So, hope you all understand this all the content which we have covered in this topic or in this video, which is namely as economic of pumping, in which we have covered the fixed cost, then operating cost, its different formulas to calculate different parameters or different consumptions which may be by electric motor or engine. Okay, so we will meet in next lecture with another topic. So be prepared for this, about this today's lecture, to understand the next lecture. Thank you.